Good morning. Hot as hell out here, y'all. You ain't got no AC in the car, no ACs in the house, or no air conditioned seats, baby. You better just walk through Walmart, walk past the frozen food section and cool off. But yeah. So this morning it had to happen. I get up at 10 o'clock in the morning, dog. Because they line be super long. You gotta get there early. I got one. The Buffalo Ranch Chicken Sandwich. The new sandwich from Popeyes. Probably the same sandwich with a different sauce. But let's taste this motherfucker. See what's going on. Oh, this motherfucker slapping, y'all. Good, fresh, steam coming off this motherfucker. I'm back, y'all. This fucking chicken sandwich, dog. Nice crunch. Good taste. Just had a fellow coworker drop me off some eggs from the Mad Rooster, some pancakes and bacon from the Rooster. Bacon good on the motherfucker. I be eating, y'all. And I got a shrimp taco box, dog. I got shrimp, chicken sandwich, shrimp fresh. That comes to the south side, though. Shrimp good. What else we got over here? You got eggs from the Mad Rooster. Man, this motherfucker's good. The motherfucker nice and fluffy. I'm be playing, y'all. Chicken sandwich. Eggs. I ain't no bosses. Don't be eating like me. Bacon. Shrimp. Baby. All good. Pancakes. More pancake pan, though. Let me eat them motherfuckers. All right, y'all. I'm being greedy. Chicken sandwich was off the chain. Shrimp was off the chain. The eggs was off the chain. The bacon was off the chain. And I don't fuck with pancakes. I'm out.